Yo, it's good, y'all niggas. Back with another video. And today we're going to be talking about very common dating question, you know what I mean? Or dating taboo, actually. And yeah, guys, it's hella fucking raining and shit. I just got back from doing some work, some mission work. My mission. Let me show you something. I got like a whole desk right here. Check this out. I got the whole desk. You know what I mean? Got the economics thing. I'm taking economics course. So yeah. So let's get into it. Should you double text? I mean, I know I'm late in becoming a dating channel, right? But guys, come on. Let's be real. We shouldn't be doing double texting in the first place. If anything, this should be for them, not for us. We don't double text. That's not in our nature to do that. But hey, you know what I mean? Niggas find a way to do all the fuck they can. They do all the things that they're not supposed to do, but they can't do what they're supposed to do. Fucked up. But yeah, here's what you're supposed to do though. Double texting is bad for you. It's bad for you guys. Come on guys, let's be real. If you guys see, but double texting shows they should see the message. Yeah, shut the fuck up. Nigga, let's be chill. Let's be real for a second. Double texting is bad for you. It will remove all the chance that you got with the chick to begin with. And to begin with, it means that you got no time. Double texting means I like you so much that I want to make sure, that you like me. Right? That's why I'm double texting you to see if you are gonna respond to my messages. And let's be real. Number one, let me comment to that. Number one, who gives a fuck? Like, let's be real. Who gives a fuck? Number two, that's not how you're supposed to be doing it. You can do multiple things except double texting. Like, for instance, you can leave the chick on red. Doesn't that sound better? You cannot text the chick at all. I mean, I like a chick. I'm trying to get this chick, but I mean, next year she's gonna get a little bit more hard because I'm gonna be doing more of my schoolwork plus with this. So right now I'm trying to prepare everything. You know, I'm trying to get used to my new working schedule, so I'll be on point next year. So yeah, I'm too busy right now to be focusing on the chick. Anytime I'll be talking to this chick, it's at school. And it don't even be like that, like one-on-one. It's like, you know what I mean? Like, what's up? Like, yo, what's good? Yo, what's good? What's up? Yeah, like, you know what I mean? But I got the number, though. So, yeah, like, come on, guys. It's like really not, I'm not pressed about it. Like, she can come, she can go. But I know some work needs to be done. This YouTube video needs to be done. This channel needs to keep going. It needs to keep progressing. That's what is supposed to be happening. If you have your purpose, texting won't be a hard for you. Like, the only problem is you need to find a way to squeeze it in your time. And that's like the ultimate, I don't know, that's some allegation. But hey, she doesn't know that you're really that easy, so yeah, sure, baby. But yeah, we gotta make sure we're on our purpose. Because purpose fixes everything. Let's be real. Texting chicks, it fixes everything. Texting chicks, approaching chicks, having confidence with chicks, talking to chicks, everything. It fixes everything. That's right. Purpose before everything. Bros before hoes, right? But purpose before everything, including your bros, because your bros ain't dying with you. Ain't dying. You come in alone, you go out alone. You go away from this shit. It's alright. So guys, let's be real. Double texting is pretty shit. It's bad. Let's not do that shit anymore, alright? Like, comment below, subscribe. About any other taboos that you know that these niggas are doing. And we can talk about it. Any questions? I got you. The email. You can be on my email. It's in the description. My website. On my Instagram. Those three. They're in the description. So you should be good. My course, my female nature and self-improvement course is in the website. So you can check that too. and I might be doing a texting course too, just to see what's happening, right? Just get it out there. But otherwise, yeah, that's it. That's it for the video. Feel free to check my playlist too. Got four of my knowledge, semi retention of the fitness, real stuff, lessons that I learned from them. So feel free to binge watch my shit and then holler back at your boy. Shit.